Mano po.
Mura ako eh.
Part 2. It's me, Money Talks with Donar, and I'm with my good friend, Vincent.
So, long time. I'm Vincent. I'm 27 years old. I own this Neighborhood Liquors. This is my business. At the same time, I'm also an architect. Bro, ano muna?
Solid to, ano to?
Ito, Highland Queen. Actually, ito yung isa sa mga bestseller namin. Mostly exclusive siya sa amin. Tasting notes to, ito yung in-offer ko sa'yo, which is this one. 14 years. Ang tasting notes ito is, if you're familiar with Macallan 18 Sherry Oak,
Okay.
ito yung similar taste niya with the lesser price. Aside from this, we also sell wine, hard liquors, spirits, beers, sakes, and then if meron kayong gustong specific na hinahanap, let us know, and then we'll get back to you afterwards.
What's your advice sa mga young entrepreneur na gustong pasukin tong liquor business?
Simple lang. Kasi if gusto nyo mag-liquor business, go for it. Walang mawawala. Ang good thing kasi sa liquor store is, hindi siya nasisira. Unlike food na may expiration. At the same time, if ang problem mo is financial, you can seek from investors. It can be your family, your friends, your colleagues, or try mo mag-inquire sa mga boss ng mga friends mo or friends of friends. You can start first sa online store muna, and then once you have established your store, pwede ka na mag-physical store. Ayun lang naman. So, tasting notes niya, in short, ginagawa namin siyang substitute sa Black Label kasi mas mura siya sa Black Label. At the same time, yung tasting notes niya is going to Poor Man's Dalmore 12. Ano lang yan, 900 pesos lang. Mura yan. So, mas mura siya sa Black Label and sa Red Label.
So, ayun guys. Thank you so much, Sir Vincent.
Thank you so much. Oh.
Follow their page. And ito yung address, ito yung contact number. And idol. Thank you.
Cheers.
Dapat.
Cheers.
Woo!
Ingat. Oh, thank you din. Ito para sa'yo. Sige. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Sige, ingat.